The number 3 spot is taken by Buzzcock. The description of this ability says, unleash this surprisingly
See this? This is a generally normal cat sleeping position. See? Don't worry, Papa, you're normal. Even though your lips all messed up. You're good. You're good, boy. And then, see? Normal cat. Okay? He's normal. And then, you see this. How the frick do you do that? How do you freaking do that? We want answers! Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Noah-san. Normal. Don't worry, you're normal. And this weird pose. Don't worry. You're still a freak. It's just slightly, you're gonna get views on YouTube. I don't really know what to do now, so. What? Okay, bye.